Before we continue the video, I bring you a brief interruption to tell you about the wonderful fragrances that I got from Dossier this month. If you are not familiar with them, Dossier is a company that provides luxury fragrances at an affordable price. They believe that everyone should look and smell good and not break the bank at the same time. This month, I received 2 fragrances from them, Woody Sandalwood and also Musky Oak Moss. Woody Sandalwood is a new one and I've never smelled it before, so I'm excited for it. It has top notes of violet leaves and cardamom, and it also has middle and base notes of like orris, musk, sandalwood, amber, and also cedarwood as well. If you're not new here, you know that I am a big fan of anything that smells nice and woody. I love a nice oaky smell when it comes to a fragrance, and that's definitely what Woody Sandalwood is given. It smells like Christmas. I don't know how to explain it, and I don't know if that makes sense, but it just makes sense. When you light a fireplace and you're sitting around with your family, that's what it smells like. It smells like Christmas, and I really love it. So if you're interested in fragrances that are musky and smells like wood, then definitely get Woody Sandalwood. The next fragrance that I got is Musky Oak Moss. Now, I've had Musky Oak Moss before, and it's actually a fragrance that I've gifted to my boyfriend because it smells amazing. Musky Oak Moss is inspired by Creed Aventus, and if you know anything about fragrances, cologne, and men, you know that this is a big hitter with the men. It's a huge hitter with them, and this smells great, so I completely understand it. It has notes like apple, pineapple, bergamot, rose, musk, oak moss, and amber. All the heavy hitters. You heard me just say I love me a musky smell. So this one is definitely one of my favorites. If you're interested in getting someone masculine in your life, a fragrance at an affordable price, definitely check out Musky Oak Moss because it is a dead ringer for the fragrance that it is inspired by. So if I have a discount code for you guys, I will link it here on the screen. Thank you so much, and don't forget to shop at Dossier. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leah Laura, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you are new to my channel, hey girl, hey, my name is Leah. I make videos, story times, hauls. I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, something slight for the kids. You know the vibes. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey friend, how are you? I hope you're doing wonderful, fabulous, beautiful, amazing. So welcome back to yet another video. Today's video is actually going to be a get ready with me. It was supposed to be actually a video where I sit down and I talk. However, I was not feeling well, and I was also in a rush. This day I was getting ready to go out just to like hang out with a friend of mine, you know, chit chat at a lounge, get some mocktails because I am abstaining from alcohol, but we are going to talk about that a little bit later. So we're going to get some drinks, do some hookah, eat some good food, and then go back home. That was the plan. So instead of doing that, I'm actually doing like a voice note overlay type of thing, and I'm just going to give you guys a quick life update. So a few days ago, I believe 1 week ago, I posted on my community tab that I actually was going to take a break from posting story times because it was negatively affecting my mental health. And I just wanted to get into that a little bit and clear some things up. So I noticed that I had a little bit of a drop in subscribers, and it went right back up because amen. Yeah. But I noticed that initially I had a drop in subscribers, and I think that some people thought that I was just going to stop doing story times in general. That is not the case. I am not going to stop doing story times. I needed to take a break from doing story times because it was negatively affecting me in a way that I never intended the story times to affect me. I'm a firm believer that when something stops being fun, you stop doing it. When something stops being fun, you stop doing it. I believe that for jobs. I believe that for activities. I believe that for all things in life. When it stops being fun, you stop doing it. Okay? Yeah. Stress is very real, and I am too young to feel the effects of stress on something that was initially supposed to be a stress reliever. Like YouTube is supposed to be fun for me, and it's supposed to be something that other people enjoy, but most of all, it's supposed to be something that's fun for me. So story times was becoming something that like every time I posted a video, I was anxious about what the outcome would be. I was anxious about whether or not people would watch it. I was anxious about what the response would be. I was anxious about like people just not commenting on the video. So like what went wrong, you know, that type of situation. I was over analyzing and overthinking everything. And that is not what my story times are supposed to be. My story times are supposed to be entertaining for both you and I. And they're supposed to be a lesson for people who are in my situation or were in my situation. So like I just wasn't enjoying it anymore. Like last week I was supposed to post a story time, and it was supposed to be the start of a series actually. And the story time is still up on my YouTube studio, so it will be released eventually. But last minute I decided to not post it because I was just getting so anxious. Like the night before I was supposed to post that story time, I was getting anxiety so bad, and I wasn't even sure where it was coming from until I realized in an Uber that the reason why I was anxious at 4 p.m. on a Sunday is because I was supposed to release a video at 5 p.m. That is not okay, and I will not accept that. So I decided to take a break from it and kind of like analyze why the story times are making me anxious. In general, I do not post story times or film story times on situations that I am not over, and I don't film story times about situations that are not like at least 2 years in the past. I don't post stories about recent story times unless it's like an Airbnb thing or a girls trip thing or like just a bad trip in general thing. I don't post those story times. Any story time that has like a negative effect on me or a mental negative effect it had on me, I tend to take a really long break before I release that to the public, just because I need to take care of my mental health first and foremost. Every situation in my life does not need to be a story time, and it will not be a story time actually. So I really need to take a break and think about like which story times I'm okay with posting and why posting it makes me anxious. I don't know if it's because sometimes people come out of nowhere and they think they know you from a 30-minute story time, or I don't know if it's because I'm not necessarily like, sometimes when I tell these story times, I feel like I come to some type of catharsis. Like I realize the reason why I feel a certain way about something is because of an instance that happened in my life. And coming to those realizations midway through telling a story to a camera, it can be a little bit daunting. Like it could be a little bit scary to realize like, oh damn, maybe that's why I feel this way, or maybe that's why I behave this way, you know? So I've been working on it, and I've been trying to like reflect on why I feel the way I feel about the story times. But again, they will be back. I'm not going to stop them completely. I'm not going to cut you guys off. I just need a break for real. Like, and to those of you who have supported me through that, and to those of you who have commented and been like, yeah, girl, we're going to be here still, take care of your mental health. I love y'all so much. And I'm going to ride for y'all because y'all ride for me. And I'm eternally thankful that I've developed a community of people. As small as you guys may be, I'm eternally grateful that I developed this community of people that will support me and don't know me from a hole in the wall and want nothing but the best for me. Like, I love you guys to death, to actual death. And I may not comment all the time and respond to it, and that's because I don't like reading comments. They give me anxiety. So yeah, but just know I see them. I love y'all. I respect y'all, and I'm here for you guys always. So just wanted to give a quick update about the story times, but also a quick update about what else I've been doing. So because my mental health has kind of been in a weird place, I've been doing things to kind of work on that. And something that has been helping me a lot is that the Lent season has finally started. So I was raised Catholic. I was raised in a Catholic household. And one of the things that we kind of like really celebrated and focused on is the season of Lent, which is kind of like the season of fasting and praying and abstaining. And I still do practice that a lot. So this season of Lent, I am abstaining from alcohol. Not that I'm an alcoholic or anything like that, but the times that I do go out, I socially drink with my friends and my boyfriend and all the people around me. And I kind of feel like when I go out with people, I need to have a drink, even if it's wine or champagne or something. I need to have a drink in order to relax. And like, I don't like that. So I've been abstaining from alcohol. So I can't even have wine. I can't have a spritzer. I can't have an Angry Orchard. I can't have nothing. Okay. It's just water and vibes. And it's been interesting so far. It hasn't been hard at all because I don't drink every day. I don't drink every week. So it hasn't been hard, but it's been interesting to say the least. And I've realized some things about myself through this experience so far. I've been praying a lot. I've been meditating. I've been trying to read at least for an hour a day. Right now I'm currently reading a book called Love Radio. Yeah, I'm reading Love Radio right now. I'm really enjoying it. So I'm kind of just taking care of me. You know, I'm focusing on myself, and I'm trying to hit all the goals that I said I was going to hit, because you are nothing except your actions. Your words almost mean nothing. Like, you're nothing except the things that you actually do. So I've been trying to hit my goal. I've been trying to go to the gym 5 times a week, eating more healthy, drinking my water, taking all my supplements, my multivitamins, my prebiotics, my probiotics. I've been trying to take everything to get this body together, and I have been making some progress. So I'm super happy, and I'm excited, and I'm in a good place. I'm in a very good place mentally, and I just want to hold on to that as much as possible. And I don't want to, I don't want to introduce anything into my life that may be a trigger or something that may cause me anxiety, like doing story times right now. It's just not a good idea for me. So again, thank you guys for understanding. But But yeah, I'm working on me, and I'm so happy that I am. I do have some interesting content coming up. I do have an unpopular opinions that's based on the show Girlfriends, and it's going to be a little bit of a project for me because I have quite the amount of editing to do in that video. But I'm excited for it because I've always wanted to do something like this, just to like do a debrief about a show that we've all watched, or like situations that we've all been through, like having an interesting and dynamic group of girlfriends, like homegirls, sisters. I always wanted to do something like that. So I'm starting to do the things that I wanted to do. I'm doing more girl chats. I'm doing more get ready with me, more gym content, more like self-care and mental health stuff. Like, I'm excited for all of it, and I hope that it's helping you guys in one way or the other. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. And again, thank you for being patient. I love y'all. I hope you're doing fantastic. And as always, my DMs are always open. If you need to talk to somebody, you need to vent, you need to say, hey girl, don't even say nothing back. I just want to vent. I'm going through a hard time. I'm having a bad day. My DMs are always open, and I always check them for y'all. So I love you all so much. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and God bless. No, because why am I running late? Okay, yeah. Anyway, so this is the final look. You know, just my basic makeup look. Nothing too serious in my natural hair. So I'm about to head out. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the gang. Because you're watching this whole video, you might as well stick around. Follow me on all my socials, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. That is in the outro and also in the description box down below. Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.